Hey everybody, how's it going? I wanted to come on here and just be really real with you guys and share some stuff with you and let you know that I'm a real person and these are real life situations that I'm talking to you guys about. So when I talk to you about the income shifting strategy through MyEcon and how I saved myself $570 from my paycheck that just goes back into my bank account each month, that's really real. I really did that. I really saved myself that extra money each month. And not to put too fine of a point on it or anything, but that makes a difference in my life, you guys. And I know it can make a difference in your life as well. Most of us could really use an extra $500 a month. Even if we're struggling, even if we're going through some financial difficulties right now, maybe we're having some opportunities with our job situation. It really can make a difference, you guys. And that's why I'm sharing this with you. This is real life. The MyEcon membership really did help me save $570 that I get to put back in my bank account each month. And I'm so grateful for that, you guys. And I want to share that with you. This is real life. This is not a scam. This is not some pie in the sky idea. This actually really happened. I want to share that with you guys because I know you can benefit from it as well. I want you to be able to use the MyEcon membership to save yourself some more money. And if you want to make money with the MyEcon membership, you can do that too. But at the very least, get in and save yourself some money. Learn where you can take more of the money that you're already making and bring it back to yourself. Save it for yourself. It really is possible. So please, when I talk to you about this digital financial membership, I'm sharing it because I want you to win. Even if you're not into sharing your affiliate link, that's okay. You can still benefit from the MyEcon membership and the strategies that it teaches you so that you can save more money. Anyone that has a job that has a W-4 can benefit from the income shifting strategy. And that's most of us, right? Most of us here in the U.S. have a job that pays us with a W-4. Even if we also have other jobs as well, we still maybe have a W-4 job as our primary job, right? So you really can benefit from this, and I really want you to. Learn how you can save more money from your paycheck. Let me help you with that. My gift to you is sharing this digital financial membership so that you can learn how you can make your life better. I really want that for you. I hope you got value from this video, and I hope you have a great day. Hit that subscribe button so you can be notified. Hit the notification bell. I'll talk to you again soon with another video. I don't want this video to be a short, so I'm adding this little bit on the end here. Go check out the Celebration 20.5 videos also on my YouTube channel here. And check out the compensation videos as well. If you want to learn more information about the products, watch those videos on here too. I will link the playlist for the MyEcon videos down in the description below.